A single audio cue can unlock hidden paths that visuals alone would miss, turning listening into a compass for discovery. This mechanic, Soundscape Discovery, invites players to hear tonal shifts and muffled rhythms that hint at secret roots. The world reshapes loot and puzzles around curiosity, guiding players toward quieter corridors or bustling plazas as they linger. The design exists to reward patient exploration and treat sound as strategy rather than decoration. As ears learn the language of the world, exploration becomes a cycle of curiosity, risk, and payoff that deepens immersion.